service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the flyover at Circleville until late tonight. At 3 p.m. the stage was 14.9 feet. Flood stage is 15 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage late this afternoon and continue to rise to near 15.1 feet this evening. The river will fall below flood stage later tonight. At stages near 15 feet, lying agricultural and bottom land becomes flooded, while flooding begins along island and canal roads.